Hello, good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle, the binary puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday, January the 17th, 2024. Already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles remain, the jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. It's binary time. And this one will be number 7820. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 16 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. That means in a row we need 4 O's and 4 ones. Same for the columns. Need 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Now those. Double O, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Alright, between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O. Oh, 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And now, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 3 minutes. Well, we have a fast one to solve without comparing. And I like this one, yes. I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.